Alright, so for this is the plan of the leg that we're going to make for our, or the feet that we're going to make for our saw stool. So this is a top view and this is a side view. As you can see, it should be 600 millimeters from here to here, and it's framing timber, so it's 90 millimeters from here to here. Now what we need to do is we need to cut this section out here, cut the corners off, and then from the top we have to drill some holes to create a mortise for our upright to sit in. So by now you should have your 6 pieces of 90 by 35. Basic framing timber. So using the plan, you're going to need a ruler. So obviously this is going to be 600 millimeters long, which this one is. Okay. Now we know, for example, down here, we can do the leg. So this is 100 millimeters here. So 100 here, so therefore it's 100 over there. So I'm going to measure 100 millimeters here and 100 millimeters down this end. Okay, so I've got 100 and 100. Now, we want to come up 20 millimeters, because according to the plan here it says 20. Here it says 20, so it's 20 from here up to here. So the best way to do that is to set this combination square up, set it to 20, like that, and then you can use it as a, just as a, like a marking gauge. So then you get a 20 millimeter line. All the way down. It was a bit crooked there. That's better. Then we want to 45 degree that off. 45 there. 45 there. Okay, and we're going to cut that out with a jigsaw. Now we need to set out the corners here. Now according to the corner here, it says 30 millimeters. So what we'll have to do is you'll measure down 30 millimeters. Then using the combination square or the 45 degrees, bring that across. And the same on the other side. 30 millimeters. Bring it across there. So next is just to cut them off. That's pretty simple. You can put it in a vise. Cut the corners off pretty easily with a jigsaw. Make it a bit tighter. Same with this side. Now to do this section in here, you're going to need to cut out a little V section here and a little V section here. So the best way to do that and then stop there. Then come back this way. That way then I can easily get, it'll turn a bit easier for me. So make sure it sticks out well past, nice and tight. Stop it when you get to here. Alright, and we're still going to cut this one out, so then do it the other way. Botched it up a bit, but you're going to have to go this way now. Oh, that wasn't very good. I've got to clean that up now with the jigsaw because that looks pretty crappy. You want to see if you can make it as clean as possible. So I'm going to have to clean that up. That's not very good. Don't know if it's a saw, if it was me. But now what we need to do is set out the top. Alright, because in here we're going to drill some holes, and in here we have to chisel that out so that we can put our piece of timber going in there for the mortise and the tenon joint. So you're going to have to find the centre. So if you know that it's 600, the centre should be 300. Alright. Now we want to find the centre this way. So we know that's 35. So if I set this to 17.5 millimetres, good luck with the half a millimetre. About there. And because our framing timber is going to be 90 millimetres, we need to go 45 and 45. So if I set that 45 and 45, so if I set that there, and I set that there, and I square that off, that's where I'm going to drill. This is where I'm going to drill some holes to clean that out. So like I said before, get the set outs done. Try to read the plan and understand the plan, because you're going to need to do plan reading next year. So you know it's 600 from here to here. You know this is 100, it goes up 20. This is 30 millimetres from here to here. Cut the corners off with a jigsaw and see if you can do a better job than I did. It's not very good. I'll see if I can clean that up.